Hello everyone! Gusto ko lang pong ibahagi ang aming testimony, isang patunay na walang imposible sa Diyos. Last year, my mother was diagnosed with a hemorrhagic stroke. The doctor said the only option was surgery. And during that time, our hearts were so heavy and we didn't know what to do, but we chose to kneel down and pray. Talagang umiyak kami kay Lord. We cried out to God and said, Lord, ikaw na po ang bahala. Alam namin hindi mo kami pababayaan. Alam niyo po, araw-araw, we saw how God moved. Little by little, my mom started to respond, to smile again, and to move her hands and feet. And every small progress was a miracle. Talaga po na araw-araw ipinagdadasal namin, lumuluhod kami kay Lord, at hindi kami na walan ng pag-asa. And now, it's been 11 months since that day, and she's still here, strong, smiling, and alive by God's amazing grace. Sa lahat po ng nanonood nito, ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo, maybe you are also facing something impossible right now. Don't give up. Huwag kang sumuko, kapatid. Don't lose hope. When doctor says there's no way, remember that God can always make a way. Our God is our healer, our provider, our faithful Father na hindi niya tayo pababayaan kailanman. Kapatid, magtiwala ka lang kay Lord. Keep trusting Him, even when you don't understand, because one day, you'll also stand and say, God, you are truly good. Talagang napakabuti mo, Panginoon, na hindi mo kami pinabayaan. Kaya ikaw, kapatid, magtiwala at manampalataya ka lang kay Lord at gagawa siya ng mga bagay na imposible man sa'yo, pero all things are possible kay Lord. Huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. God bless.